nervous right now because okay, so as you can see on my screen up there, I've got the Apple Maps. Down here I've got trucking app, and I've got Google Maps. And the trucking app always takes you where it's for sure safe, but sometimes it's the long way around. So this time, because Apple and Google agreed, I decided to go ahead and go with Google. And now, as you can see, I'm on a back freaking country road, which I've seen other trucks, so I don't feel terribly nervous, but it's a little nerve-wracking. I've gotten myself into tight spots before by making the wrong choice, you know, which is, I guess, just part of trucking. But I figured, since I was nervous, you guys could be nervous with me. So in 3.3 miles, we're gonna continue, turn right on 7100. Hopefully I made the right choice. As you can see, there's other trucks on the road, so I don't feel like that I'm absolutely not going to get where I'm going. It's just a little, there is a piece in a major interstate or highway in trucking, so there's that.
Highway 302.
Quite a few truckers on this road, so it's a little bumpy though. Here we come to save the day. I see a major highway. Dun, 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 dun.
Right onto Highway 302.
Slow down, baby girl. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, we almost didn't stop.
Continue on Highway 302 for 1.5 miles.
Yeah, that was close, y'all. Seriously. Took me a lot longer to stop than I thought that time. Do better. 371 north. Only to get to the same damn highway that I was gonna get to if I'd have stayed on Smart Trucker. So who's smart now? However, that is a beautiful mountain over there on the left. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gorgeous. Matter of fact, can get some view on. Anywho, well, that was entertaining. I was kind of getting tired anyways. It's like 8.5 into my drive, so you know, that's the part of the drive for me as a driver where I start getting tired of being the driver. What the speed limit is. I'm assuming 55 on this highway. downgrade here. And what percent? 9%. What the fuck? Okay then. This should be fun. I've never done a 9% downgrade, y'all. And it says the speed limit is 45. So let's do what they say. Okay. Yeah. Slow her down, boys. Slow her down. Good. Good. Keep it up. Holy shit, bro. Holy steep one, Batman. Take it easy. Easy's good. Doing a great job, Daddy's girl. It's a great job. Woo. Can you hear the Jake brake fighting against the 44,000 pounds that's pushing on my truck? Now we know why. Trucks don't go this way. Ride it out, baby girl. Ride it out. Hell yeah. Woo! Holy shit. Now that was entertainment. Woo! I've never done that before, y'all. My hands are sweating. Holy moly. Get too excited. You still gotta handle your business here, girlie. Say this about you, Smart Trucker app. You were right. I was wrong. That is freaking hilarious. Well, that was fun though. Some people will probably be thinking, what is wrong with her? For her to think that that is fun. But it's part of trucking.
Mile, turn left onto US 64 bypass west, West Murray Drive.
And if we would have stayed on the main highway, this is the highway that it was taking us to. So yeah, there's that.
Onto US 64 bypass west, West Murray Drive.
Stretch it out. Alright, so that was fun. GoPro off. GoPro off.